Alright guys, so we are ready to finish up our problem. We're going to do our plan, our solve, and then our check. Alright, so for our plan, we need to see, can we make a strip diagram? And guys, for division, you can draw a strip diagram. So, when we're drawing a strip diagram, remember one of your bands are going to represent your total, and we know the total is 949. So if from here to here is 949, and we want to put 8 carrots into each bag, our strip diagram is going to represent it a little bit differently, because normally we'd have to write 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, however many times to represent the bags. But instead, I'm going to make 8 boxes down here on the bottom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. And so those will be my 8 carrots. And then I want to know how many bags I'm going to have. So I'm going to use B for bags. So with division, you will have this same variable repeated multiple times. And that's how you know it's the opposite of multiplication. On division, you'll have the letter multiple times. On multiplication, you'll have the number written multiple times. So, my number sentence is 949 divided by 8 is going to equal B for bags. Alright, so now we're ready to solve it. I'm going to use an area model. So I'm going to draw my area model. 949 is my total. It goes in the middle. I'm dividing it by 8, so that tells me I need a T-chart for my 8s. 8, so one group is equal to 8. 2 would be 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 3 would be 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 4 would be 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Ooh, almost didn't have enough room on this one. So this was 40, 48, 56, 64, and 72. Alright, so I'm looking for something that equals 949. None of these do. So I'm going to make them all 10 times greater. And the zeros. 720 is pretty close. Now, I could add another group of zeros on here to make it 100 times larger, but I'm just going to go ahead and stick with this. And I'm going to put 90, take away 720. Okay, so then that leaves me with 229. So I'm going to split my area model, bring it over, 229. So when I look for that one, I have 240 as the closest. So plus 30 more groups. Oh no, I can't use 240. You know why? Because it's too big. Alright, just kidding. I can't use that one. I have to go all the way back down to this one and say 20 groups. 160. That's 9. Can't do 2 minus 6. That becomes 1 and 12. Alright, so I have 69 left over. That's still too big. It's got to be less than that. So I'm going to draw an extra box onto here. Bring my 69 over here. And now I look, and 80 is the smallest I have. So I need to make these 10 times less by taking away my zeros. Now, let's see, the closest I can get is 64. I remember I can't go over that number like I almost did. So plus 8 minus 64, using the 5. Good. My number is now less than 8. That's my remainder. So when I add these, let's see, 90, 100, 110, 108, 10, I forgot the 10, 110, plus 8 is 118 with a remainder of 5. Let's see, 90. And it's okay to write it if you have to. Add them up. Yeah, 118, remainder 5. Alright, so now we need to justify a reason why did we choose division. So I divided because it gave me a total to split into bags. Okay, you could have also mentioned that it had the word each, but just saying that it had a total and you were putting them in bags is you're splitting them up. That is division. All right, guys, that's it for today.